Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man. Here we're taking a look at a Toyota Sienna with a power rear entry modification. This particular modification was completed by Freedom Motors out of Michigan. This is an automatic system that's going to give you hydraulic drive, and you're going to operate with this wireless remote. This is really deemed to be set up for a passenger circumstance, not for a driver. However, as we come up and through the rear door, we're going to have the widest and the largest capability of any wheelchair accessible vehicle. This one features 48 inches of usable ramp width up and in. Being it's a hybrid vehicle, it's going to get you 35 plus miles to the gallon. Go up into the second row. We have single non-folding jump seats. Come up front. This vehicle has a completely non-modified front floorboard. Looking for newer used Toyota hybrids with power or manual rear entry mods? Check out BLVD.com, where you can shop over 5,000 new and used wheelchair vans for sale. We have financing that can get approved in the matter of an hour or two, and we ship nationwide. Check out BLVD.com. If you're in the Midwest area, check out our friends at Cummings Mobility. Shop their inventory. Nationwide shipping, financing on site, BLVD.com.